How to make a Discord server on Android. This tutorial shows you how to create and set up your own server quickly and easily. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon on the left side of the screen in the server list. From there, tap on Create My Own to start building your server from scratch. At this point, you'll be asked what your server is for. Let me show you. Tap on For Me and My Friends if it's a private server, or tap on For a Club or Community for a larger public server. In the next step, tap on your server upload icon at the top to add a photo. Choose one from your gallery or skip it for now. From there, tap on the server name field and type in a name for your server. At this stage, once you're happy with the name, tap on Create Server. Following this, your server will now be created and you'll be taken directly into it. Once done, you'll see a default set of channels already created, including a general text channel and a general voice channel. From here, let me show you how to invite people. Tap on the server name at the top to open the server settings. Tap on Invite option to generate an invite link. Following this, tap on Copy Link to copy the invite and share it with anyone you want to join your server. Here's an important note. As the server owner, you have full control over your server, including creating new channels, adding roles, and managing members. Tap on the server name and go to Settings to explore all the customization options available. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a Discord server, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.